Join me in this tutorial as we dive into the latest features of Adobe Photoshop 2025. The major one being distractions. You'll be able to remove wires and people using generative AI in just a few clicks. So let's see them in action. So here I have a picture as you can see on my screen, and there is lots of wire going on here. So let's go to remove tool here, the second one, and click here, find distractions at the bottom, and we have two options. One is wire and cables removal, and other was being people. So if I click on wire and cables, it will start analyzing. So before that I want to create one more layer. Now I'll go to find distractions and click on wire and cables, and it will start analyzing. It will take some time. And now you can see the magic. All wires it has removed. See the original picture we had this one, and now see it's superb and very fast tool. Now let's try the another one. This is a bit complex one, as you can see here. Again, I'll create one empty layer here, and I'll go to this find distractions. I'll click on wires and cables. So as you can see, there are lots of wire here and picture is almost blocked. So let's see the capability of this tool. Sometimes it takes much longer time. You can see the magic. All cables are almost gone. See how complex it was. So this was helpful for the wires and cables. Let's see about the people. And this feature is editable, as you can see it mentioned here. So this picture I'll be using. So I'll go here, editable and people. And now you can see it has made the selections. As you can see here it says editable. So you can edit this. So I can remove something which I want to keep here. Like suppose I want to keep this family here. So I'll press Alt. I'll remove this selection so that they will remain here and other people will be removed from this composition. So now let's click on this, and you can see the magic. All people are gone. So this is very powerful tool, but sometimes it doesn't recognize the people. So in that case we'll have to make selections. So let's see. So for that I'll be using another picture, so this one, because in my experience I tried this with many pictures and sometimes it didn't work. So for this picture it didn't work at all. So I'll try again. So let's go to find distraction again. As you can see, the selection is here. I can't see any people here, so I'll remove that. We'll increase the brush size. I'll press Alt. I'll remove this selection. I'll make selection for this lady. So this is fine. Now click on this. Let's see. As you can see, it did a very nice job. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.